Welcome to our series on Entity Framework Core, or EF Core for short. In this series, we'll dive into what EF Core is, how it works, its architecture, and key concepts like DB context, annotations, and how to implement a data model. Let's get started. EF Core is an open-source ORM framework from Microsoft designed for .NET applications. Introduced in .NET 3.5, it revolutionized how developers interact with databases by abstracting the complexities of SQL and allowing us to work with data in a more intuitive way. Think of EF Core as the bridge between your application's domain classes and the underlying database. It takes care of data access tasks, so you don't have to write endless lines of SQL. EF Core is packed with powerful features that streamline data operations. It's cross-platform, meaning it runs on Windows, Linux, and macOS. It creates an entity data model, translates link queries to SQL, tracks changes to your data, and manages transactions and concurrency automatically. With built-in conventions and configurations, EF Core can be tailored to fit your project's needs without overwhelming you with complexity. EF Core seamlessly integrates with the architecture of your application. It sits in the data layer, interacting with the database through your business entities. This setup allows for clean separation of concerns, where your UI, business logic, and data access code are well organized and maintainable. Under the hood, EF Core's API maps your domain classes to the database schema. It translates your link queries into SQL, tracks changes made to your entities, and saves those changes back to the database. This abstraction means you can focus on writing C# code without worrying about the intricacies of SQL. The entity data model in EF Core consists of three main parts: the conceptual model, the storage model, and the mapping between them. The conceptual model represents your domain classes, while the storage model corresponds to the database schema. EF Core handles the mapping, ensuring your classes are accurately represented in the database. The DB context is at the heart of EF Core. It's responsible for managing your database connections, configuring models and relationships, querying the database, and saving changes. It also takes care of change tracking, caching, and transaction management, making it the go-to tool for all your data-related tasks. DB Context offers various methods to interact with your entities. The add methods allow you to add new entities to the context, while the attach methods attach existing ones. Whether synchronous or asynchronous, these methods make it easy to track and manage your entities throughout their lifecycle. DB Context also provides methods for finding, removing, and saving entities. The Save Changes method, for example, commits your changes to the database, while methods like Update and Set help you manage disconnected entities. These methods give you fine control over how your data is handled. Thanks for watching.